So now let's see how we can utilize the orbit tool and pan tool inside of SketchUp. So in order to use the orbit tool to orbit around the object that we have, we can go ahead and utilize this. So you can see that there's orbit right here. Click on it. And then what I can do is I can click and drag to actually go ahead and orbit around the tool that we have right here. Let me just use the scroll mouse button to zoom out and orbit out right here. You can click and drag it top and bottom right here, and it rotates it out just like that. Apart from that, you also have the pan tool, which allows you to actually go ahead and pan around over here just like this, top, down, bottom, right, as you want right here to see your model in different angles. So apart from that, when you're in the selection tool, you can use the middle mouse button to click and drag to go ahead and use the orbit tool right here. And then what you can actually do is hold shift on your keyboard and click the middle mouse button to go ahead and activate the pan tool right here just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the orbit and pan tool inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.